So would you say that Stature Venda is the one that inspired you when the gimmick said?
No, bro, it had nothing to do with anyone, bro. And it was not with a gimmick. No, that's what it mindset was trying to push us to run as much. That's fine. Maybe now, Stature Venda, who doesn't know to push a woman.
Then how do you respond to Batonaga Stature Venda? Because he was the one. Now I came to this industry, man. After this, like now they are acting like they are the ones. Though I told the but how do you respond to those type of shit?
When did you wanna Stature Venda? So the thing is, when Stature Venda, me and him are rocking the team. Stature Venda over committee.
Root Kiddy and Impirima. Don't it divisa to gimmicky ma. Boni maizanga kumiki ma. Black Mickey hango share ma. Root Kiddy and Impirima. Don't it divisa to gimmicky ma. Boni maizanga kumiki ma. Black Mickey hango share ma. Anyway, it done. Anyway, it done. Idani ngeno ndithome ndininde dedze ndothoma dzigimiki ini niche high school nga 2019 nova niche high school habe ini ni wa 2000 bro so 2025 minus 2000 zviamba ini nova nina 18 bro nne ndova ndonova li superstar bro vasidzana ndova lesa kare bro ini nichisala nichivala ndova ndononeta ngabo fro yango ndoisisa iche high school animpiri zvichidana karunako nina banja neka forehead nina baro ndini fira nanga weti kachikaro univeno vula nsala nga shupen bro nozvivona kani from me bro nidi ita Stature Venda na dividza Rootkid Venda zvithu zvanga na ini zvisimila bro pani vana vabatudzi percentage bro rendi gaga uri hango wana chitu lego naye uri hango lana chitu jemeni ukotoshava uambavo ndina banda nokopera mutu wa rongo nendi championi donvisa rusweto donipfulela banda zvidodhinanga manda richivopfana manda atitambika zvanga gimiki dzodanane that's a fact bro nyimbo dzanu dzothe khandishi dziwork bro katalago yanu khandishi iwork bro Root Kiddy ani mbiri ma donidivisa dzigimiki ma Boni maizanga kumiki ma Black Mickey hango share ma Root Kiddy ani mbiri ma Doni divisa dzigimiki ma Boni maizanga kumiki ma Black Mickey hango share ma Anyway, it done. Anyway, it done. Dovisa bomreba bote bafendre fashionini Osurvivor rachikili mizofili bakoma na survivor era ya gimiki yenda danayo The rest of you ndoni gwera mlindi anchaba relevant Bako zama, bako imba piano Bako shaba na nandara Ndoba chuwisa ende ndoba ofisa Bako zama, bako shaba zigimiki Bako banda, ndichitoda urelease Direction na ini konikaidza Ndichani utendera vana vachidaka kupodcasti kwanu vaklema uri votoma dzigimiki Okay, Rasman Zion nitendera ni Root Kiddy achizvipa kapodcasti yanu ari gimiki ndidzawe nichitozvidiva uri ndine mtomi wadzo kani noputisiwa nichinganorengiwa novhaliwa mlomo kani novhaliwa toho muhumburo auchashuma anicharizina kani